Did you know a family in Greenland chose to die together rather than abandon their disabled child? In 1972, hunters found 8 frozen bodies in a cave. They had been there for 500 years. But these weren't just any bodies, they were perfectly preserved. A whole family held hands as they froze to death. Even a 6-month-old baby was there, still wearing tiny sealskin clothes. Scientists discovered the baby had Down syndrome. Back then, families would leave disabled children to die alone. But this family did something different. They prepared the cave like a burial site before they died. They chose to stay together. The strangest part? DNA tests showed these people weren't related like normal families. Their family structure was completely wrong for that time period. No one knows who they really were. The cave still holds their secrets. 8 people who loved each other enough to die together in the frozen darkness. Would you choose to stay with your family no matter what? Follow for more chilling mysteries that will haunt your dreams.